Alright, we'll try something new. I need at least 8 gigabytes of RAM in there, which I mean, it's the max, so. This thing's got 8 gigabytes. I'm gonna change that to 12 gigabytes from that machine down there because I'm not using it. So let's do that. First thing, probably. I'm gonna turn it off first. Alright, so now that it's off, we can start with the process, which would be to unplug everything, including that, and just picking it. Alright, let's see. I think this one on the top is the 4 gigabyte module. Yeah. This one. This seems to be the 2 gigabyte module. Alright, first let's put this in. That in, and now this. Second one in. Alright, now let's close that up back. Alright, let's see if... Never mind. Alright. 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is great. Exit. Alright, let's see what it does. Alright, let's see. When we go into... Where is it? Task Manager. .6 gigabytes. That means that we got this. We got 8 gigabytes of RAM into here now. That's good. That's really good. Alright, I guess this 1 gig, actually it's 2 gigabytes of RAM. It would go right back into that other machine.